and bring in the non-humans into our circles consciously. Either be outside and include them physically in the circle, whether it's a tree or the river or the mountain in the view or the creatures that we can hear scurrying around or the birds that are flying, whatever. And if we can't be outside, if we're inside, invite them in. Invoke their presence and actually leave space for them in the circle. Acknowledge their energy. Include them. And I promise that you will feel that. And maybe some of you will get messages or not, but you'll feel it.